Hey guys and girls, thumbs up from me as usual. God bless you all. Welcome to my channel, Reusable Festival Survival channel. Have I got a fantastic video for you guys today? I don't think I've seen these in anyone's kits. Maybe there is someone out there that's got them in their kits, but I thought this would be a fantastic idea to share with you guys. So stick around and I'll show you what I've got in mind. See you in a sec, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Reusable Festival Survival, and like I was saying, I've got this fantastic little idea. Well, I think it's a fantastic idea anyway. Basically, I picked up this 20-piece kit of reusable drinks flasks, pouches, they're concealable bags and a plastic funnel. So basically, I'll show you, starting off with the larger one. This is the 1 litre foldable bag, pouch. I thought it was fantastic. As you can see, the 1 litre one here is full of water and it stands up nicely. As you can see there, you also get the 423ml, which is just here, stands up. It's got a screwable caps, and the smaller one, which is 235ml. I thought they were fantastic. Like I said, I bought 20. That's the larger one right there. Foldable. You can fold it really small actually. You can even fold it this way as well. Okay, really small little thing. You can put that in your kits, your EDC carry, your bug out bags. Use them for when you've processed water and you want to put water away. You can fill up these bags. Let me show you the smaller sizes. This is the 423ml. Like I was saying, basically you can fold them up, put them in your kits, really fold down really nicely, and there you have it. Look at that, guys. And you can fit a few of these. If I show you like 3 together, and basically you can fold them down really into a good size, fit into your bags, like I said, once you've processed your water, or just fill them up yourself with water and stick them in your bags. I've seen those emergency water bags. They cost quite a lot of money. They're small little bags, I don't know, 250ml, and I thought this would be a cheaper alternative. And these are the actual smaller ones. These are the 235ml. Fantastic little bags. Again, foldable, really small sizes. You can really fold it right down. Look at the size of that. Okay, really small. And I'll show you a little idea I got here. What I did, I got a little Mylar bag and I folded one of the small ones down and I whacked that in there. I suppose you could actually fold down the 430ml one as well, 423ml, and whack it in here as well. So I've just stuck the smaller one in there. Fantastic little idea, and small enough to fit in your little survival tins as well. Okay, and what else have I done? I've also, let me just show you what I've done over here. I put one of each size into a little Ziploc bag, one of each of these sizes, folded them up in a Ziploc bag, and they fit in there fantastic. Of course, a Ziploc bag comes with the contents and the date label right there. So I suppose if you filled up 3 of these, like I filled up this bag here with some juice, a smoothie, fill it up, put 3 of these together, you could actually put them in a Ziploc bag and whack them in your bug out bag, your EDC carry, your get home bag. Works out a lot cheaper than buying those emergency water bags. Okay, so there we have it. In this bag I've got some water purification tablets, the Oasis ones, and like I said, I've got 3 different sizes in this Ziploc bag. You probably could fit a couple more in there. Lightweight, small, so practical. The kit does come with a funnel. You get 5 of each, 5 of the 1 litre, 5 of the 423 litre, and 5 of the 235 ml. So the 5 of each, okay, plus a funnel, and plus you get a load of screw tops that come with it as well. Fantastic deal. Like I was saying, small enough to put in your little kits. You can fill them up, put them in your bug out bag, and if you do put some of these juices in the Ziploc bag, of course you can put the date of when you actually put them in your bags, in your kits. Put the date there, that way you know how long they've been in there. I'm not an expert on water, on drinks, how long they last, but I should think they'll easily last you a few weeks, water in here, and you could just change them out. They're reusable bags, and they're BPA free, food grade material, no harm to your body or effect of the taste. It won't, affect the taste. Very easily cleaned, reusable time and time again. Just look after them, the way you package them, the way you put them in your kits, obviously. The leak-proof design, screw caps, lightweight, portable, and they're sold by a company called Alti Official Store, and you get a 48 months warranty as well on them. I thought it was fantastic, and so I picked up a 20-piece kit. Like I was saying, you can make small little kits with them, easily fit into a little survival tin, little mylar bag. You can have that in your EDC carry. Once you've processed your water, you can just put them in a Ziploc bag or whack it into your kits. So there we have it. Just a short and sweet video today. I thought I'd share this little idea with you. Go on eBay. I'll leave a link down below, okay, for you guys to check out. I believe they used to be about £20 for the 20-piece kit, and they're down to £6.68. So it's a bargain. I mean, some of the water bags you get on eBay, they cost you a few quid each. Okay, so these, like I said, they're foldable. I mean, I've seen sort of similar type of bags, one of these on eBay and Amazon for about 3 quid each, 4 quid each. So to buy a complete set of 20, fantastic deal. It's a no-brainer. Alright guys, just a short and sweet video. Thanks for watching. If you want to leave any comments down below, please do so. Thanks for watching the video. Take care out there. Enjoy your day. And I just thought I'd share this video with you guys. So, see you in the next one, guys.